Okay. To start using the replay function in Airmix, go to the video tab, add new video source, add instant replay. That's going to bring a new block in here. Right now it's blank. It's also going to bring up a replay panel on the right under the mixer. So on this panel, we have the replay button. That's going to capture all the live sources. Below that is how long the buffer length is and how long the cropping length is. And then from there, you also have the speed and the play pause buttons. So let's go do something that's worth replaying. So now, if we hit the replay button, it's going to capture all three cameras. So the first camera doesn't really matter. There was no action, so if we just select the other two, and then click Select Replay Angles, scrub to where the action is. Once we let go, once we found the replay moment, a little checkbox comes up. And if we click on that, it's going to auto-crop that area for us with the 10 seconds here. So if we click play, it's just going to loop that area with the green section of the two sliders. So if you remember, we captured two replays. So down here it says replay angle, and there's a previous and next button. So if we hit previous angle, it's going to go to the other camera, but it's going to crop the same section. So this makes things super simple for going between different angles. So let's pause that. So here you can do the replay speed. It's basically duplicate controls, but you might have this thing closed. So say we queued up the camera, transition. And then from here you can speed it up or slow it down. And if you wanted to change the angle, you dive in, and then from here you can change the angle. So the replay tag is just a way to organize things. So if this was an offensive thing or something, you could go in here and it's going to show that. So if you play sports with goals or something, you could tag something with a goal or penalties. If none of these make sense for your sport or your podcast or whatever you're doing, then you can long press on it, and it's going to bring up a dialog and it'll let you change that. That's basically it. If you wanted to change this, you can long press it on here and change the angles that were selected. And when you add this instant replay, I don't know if you can see this faint little label here. It says replay. So in the image tab, whenever you select the instant replay, it's going to automatically select this replay tag. You can change it to change the text or change the color or just delete it if you don't want anything. But it's pretty useful to have just to show the audience that you are watching, a replay. And that's the whole functionality. Super simple to use. Yeah, that's it. Good luck.